For one major development, the council legislative arm of Owan East Local Government Council don impeach the council chairman, Prince Aminu Kadiri, and invite Honorable Clement Ojebuovbo sake of gross misconduct and abuse of office. The impeachment shele for plenary session on Monday where the council speaker lead the proceedings for the legislative chambers. The move follow after them serve official notice wey chook mouth on top plenty allegations of misconduct against both of them. Honorable Friday Henry Oisawemi, wey represent Ward 7 for council, push the motion for impeachment, accuse Prince Kadiri say he don break council rules too many times. Oisawemi come talk say the actions don spoil the goodwill and trust of the Owan East people wey don make Kadiri unfit for leadership. The motion gets strong support as Honorable Marcus Sunday from Ward 1 secondam, and the majority vote follow with 8 council members agreeing say them go remove both the chairman and vice chairman from their positions. The impeachment shows say tension dey between the local government leadership and the legislative arm as accusation of financial mismanagement and lack of transparency dey cause the fallout. After the impeachment, Honorable Haruna Mohammed from Ward 10 come take over as acting chairman to handle council matters.
My honorable colleagues, you have the notice that was brought against the local government chairman and his vice. If you are in support, stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Speaker, sir, 8 members vote for the impeachment of the local government chairman and his vice. Sir. My honorable colleagues, if you are against, please stand up.
Mr. Speaker, sir, there is nobody that is against the impeachment of the chairman and the vice chairman of Owan East Local Government Council.
My honorable colleagues, 8 members signed for the impeachment of the local government chairman and his vice of Owan East. So, nobody is against. So the impeachment of the local government chairman and his vice start impeached.
This whole matter they raise questions about how the 18 local government chairmen for the state they handle their finances. All this shows say we need better checks and balances, more transparency, and chook eye proper on top local government work, plus more civil participation from the people. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we know the take blame. From Owan East Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesale, TMC TV News.